In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your delivery address on DoorDash, a simple process that will make sure your food gets to the right place every time. Whether you've moved, are staying with friends, or just need to send an order somewhere else, updating your delivery address is quick and easy. So grab your phone or computer and let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser or DoorDash app and go to the DoorDash homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a wide range of options for food, groceries, and other retail products. Take your time browsing through the menu and select the product that tickles your taste buds or matches your grocery needs. This part might take a little while if you're still debating between sushi or a fresh salad. Once you've made your choice, click on the item to reveal more details, and then hit the Add to Cart button. This action will place your selected item into your virtual shopping cart. It's like pushing a cart down the aisle of a grocery store, only without the wheels and aisles. Now that your desired items are safely in your cart, it's time to proceed by clicking Continue. Doing so will lead you to the checkout screen where we can shift our focus to updating your delivery information. On the checkout screen, you'll find the current delivery address displayed prominently, providing you the perfect opportunity to make any needed changes. Click the delivery address to edit, allowing you to input a new address. Carefully enter the new address, double checking to ensure it's absolutely correct. Mistakes can happen, especially if you're in a hurry, but remember that accuracy is key to making sure your delivery arrives at the intended location. Once you've updated the details, save the new address to refresh your order with the updated information. With the correct delivery address in place, you're now ready to place your order with a peace of mind that DoorDash knows exactly where to bring your food. Hit the Place Order button, and just like that, you're done. Your order is now on its way to the updated address you entered, and soon enough, your selected items will be knocking at your door. And there you have it. How to change your delivery address on DoorDash in just a few easy steps. Knowing how to update your delivery details can make all the difference in ensuring a seamless ordering experience. So next time you can switch up your delivery address without a hitch. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.